Hi, it's Margaret Fiddes talking festivals again. The other day I went over to the university, to the sports centre, to have a quick look at what was available because we've got lots of sporting activities already taking place. We've put some provisional bookings in place for the spaces that we think we'll need. So we've got walking cricket, we've got petanque, or is that petanque? Somebody will correct me, I'm sure. Short tennis, pickleball, croquet, curling with a K, yoga, and I know there'll be things I've forgotten, but there are plenty of different sorts of facilities available. So here we are. Take a look at what I could see when I went to look through the railings. So where I am is standing on the edge of the athletics track, which, as you can see, is beautifully kept, and alongside the sports centre. And of course I'm expecting to see lots of our members running around here with gay abandon next summer, having a great time. And the athletics track is beside the sports hall. Now I'm going to try and show you the sports hall without showing you too much fence. That's the only problem. I'm standing on the wrong side of the fence. You see that domed structure? That's the covered tennis courts, of which there are 3 full-size tennis courts. Beyond it there are 3 open-air tennis courts, so 6 in total, full size. And then if we just go around a little bit more, and I'm going to zoom in and just poke, there we are, that's better, poke the phone through the fence. You'll see on the far side is a great big hall, also a sort of grey building, which has got facilities for football, indoor football and badminton and so forth. There are also squash courts in the block there. And basically you can do almost any kind of sport you want, really. There are exercise machines as well, and there are changing facilities, showers and goodness only knows what. So, and some drinks machines. Beyond the trees over there on the far side of the athletics track is an area called the 22 acres, which consists of 2 full-sized cricket pitches, football pitches, rugby pitches, and a little spare land which we thought we might use for croquet, and a pavilion. Not with refreshments, I'm afraid. It's a bring your own for that one. But what there is a loo, which is also very important. Now, just to give you an idea of where we are in relation to everything else in the campus, excuse me, while we whiz round, you can see that we're in the smaller car park which we can use, which is closest to everything that we are going to be doing. There is also a small, sorry, seasick again, parking place right beside the sports centre, and you can drive over to the cricket pitch. So there's going to be plenty of opportunity for parking near where we want to be. So I'm crossing the road through the car park, and I'm just going to show you briefly where the accommodation block is. These are the accommodation blocks. So your accommodation is going to be very close to the car park, where there are some disabled spaces, and B, the sports centre. But also, if we then look from there over here, if you look this way past the entrance to the Roger Kirk Centre, you will see the entrance. If I can just move, so many trees. I mean, it's actually lovely that there are so many trees. But that is the other side of the exhibition centre, which we saw in our first vlog when I was standing with Nadia beside the lake. So that's where the main focus of our indoor activities will be, right there. Here is the information centre for check-in, and here is the Galleria restaurant, and I'm going to go in there and have some lunch.